Hello, friends. Today, I have an interesting find from a buyback for review a plastic engine cover. I got it at a good price, but it had some minor defects, a couple of cracks. I think many of you are familiar with this situation. You want to save money, but the part needs some repairs. I will show you a powerful method of dry welding plastic, which will help restore the strength of the part. First, an important life hack. In order not to ruin the soldering iron tip, I use a small copper tube. I just insert it into the soldering iron, and now you can solder without fear of damaging the tool. By the way, what is the weather like where you are now? It's warm here. I work great, but I wonder where they are watching this video now. First, we fix the crack with a special reinforcing mesh. Carefully solder it into the plastic. This will create a strong frame that will not allow the part to break again. And now, the most interesting part. We will prepare a super strong connection. Mix graphite powder from a pencil lead with a spoonful of soda. You probably know that superglue with soda creates rock-solid strength. And if you add graphite, the connection becomes even stronger. Apply this mixture to the crack and fill it with super glue. As a result, we get such a strong connection that even with strong bending, plastic does not break. This method can be used not only to repair car parts, but also for plastic furniture, gadget bodies, toys, and much more. How do you like this life hack? Have you tried to solder plastic before? Or maybe you have your own repair methods. Write in the comments. If the video is useful, click like, subscribe to the channel. There are even more cool life hacks and useful tips ahead. See you in new videos.